Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, ICN Noor Academy. Let's start the assembly with Surah al Fatihah.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hidayat and today I'm going to be reciting Surah al Fatihah by saying Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahman-Rahim. Malik Yawmuddin. Iyaka na'budu wa iyaka nasta'in. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Jazakallahu khair, Hidayat. That was beautiful. Now let's continue learning the meaning of Surah al Fatihah. We have learned so far. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم. Maliki Yawmiddin. That means all praise is for Allah, the owner and master of all the worlds, the most loving and the most merciful, ruler of the day of judgment. And the new part is Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. It is only you who we pray to and only you who we ask for help. Okay, it's time for the name hat. Let's see who will be reciting Surah al Fatihah next. It's gonna be Musa. Congratulations, Musa. We look forward to hearing from you. That's all for today. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.